Welcome to Statistical Observatory. Welcome to Witty Statistical Journey. Welcome to a world where numbers come alive with humor and wit. In the realm of statistical analysis, where data reigns supreme, there exists a delightful intersection of numbers and laughter. From quips about means and medians to chuckles about correlation and causation, the following collection of statistical jokes is tailored to tickle the funny bone of data enthusiasts and humor aficionados alike. Whether you're a seasoned statistician or simply someone with a penchant for numerical amusement, prepare to embark on a lighthearted journey filled with clever puns, witty observations, and playful anecdotes. So sit back, relax, and allow these statistical jests to bring a smile to your face as we delve into the world of numbers with a dash of comedic charm. Enjoy the video. we reach the end of this compilation. We hope these statistical jokes have brought some levity to your day, highlighting the delightful and humorous aspects of working with numbers. From clever wordplay to playful observations, these jokes offer a refreshing perspective on the world of data and statistics, reminding us that even the most analytical of fields can inspire laughter and amusement. May these light-hearted moments serve as a reminder that humor and wit can be found in the most unexpected of places, even within the realm of statistical analysis. Keep these jokes close at hand to add a touch of laughter to your next data-driven conversation, and remember that in the world of numbers, a little bit of humor can go a long way.